Okay, you guys, we have one more thing to do on today's lesson plan, and that is Ventures. In your packet, it's going to look like this, Ventures Daily Living. And that really worked out well, didn't it? It wasn't planned, but all of us are doing a lot more time at home than we have been in the past, so it's just a lucky coincidence, I guess. So the first thing we're going to look at is the first picture on page 110. And what do you see going on in this picture? Okay, it looks like over here you see it looks like the dishwasher is leaking, doesn't it? And it also looks like here's Pablo playing in all the suds that the washing machine is also broken. But what else do you see going on in the picture? It looks like a busy time, doesn't it? One of her son is taking the garbage, it looks like, and her daughter is putting in dishes in the kitchen sink. It looks like maybe they just got done with breakfast, because here on the stove there's something still in the pot, and there still are breakfast dishes on the table. Looks like all the kids are getting ready to go to school. There's backpacks, and it looks like Stella is going to work, but looks like everything in her kitchen is broken right now. So the next page are conversations, and we're going to listen to the audio tracks on these 3 conversations, and what you are going to do is you are going to pause it when you need to answer the questions. The first exercise A, you're going to listen to 3 conversations, conversation A, B, and C, and you're going to decide if conversation A goes with picture number 1, picture number 2, or picture number 3. Okay, I'm going to try to put this onto the computer, and hopefully it will work. So let us start this.
Unit 9, Daily Living, page 111, exercises 2A and 2B. Conversation A. Hello, building manager.
Hi, this is Stella Taylor in apartment 4B. I've got a problem. The washing machine overflowed, and the dishwasher's leaking too, and the sink is clogged. Could you please recommend a plumber?
Well, I usually use 2 different plumbers.
Which one do you recommend?
Let's see. His name is Don Brown. He has a company on Main Street. Here's the phone number, 555-4564. He's really good.
Thanks. I'll call him right away.
Conversation B.
Brown's Plumbing Service, Martha speaking. May I help you?
I hope so. My washing machine overflowed, and my dishwasher is leaking all over the floor, and my sink is clogged. May I speak to Don Brown, please?
Oh, Don's out right now on job, but he'll be finished in an hour. He can come then. Can you wait an hour?
1 hour? I need to go to work soon. Maybe my neighbor can unlock the door for him. My address is 3914 5th Street, apartment 4B.
Okay, he'll be there in an hour.
Thank you.
Conversation C. Russell Taylor speaking.
Hi, Russell. It's me. I have bad news. The washing machine overflowed, and the dishwasher is leaking on the floor, and the sink is clogged.
Oh no, look, I'm really busy at work right now. Could you please call a plumber?
I already did.
You did? Which plumber did you call?
Brown's Plumbing Service. The plumber will be here in an hour.
But you're going to work.
It's okay. I asked Mrs. Lee to let him in.
All right, Stella. I'll see you tonight.
All right, so the last thing is exercise C. And do you see this little picture of all of the different family members? After you listen to this conversation, we usually practice this with partners in class, but we can't do that now. So I want you to practice conversation with someone in your family, or if you need to, call a classmate on the phone to practice these conversations. One asks the questions, the other answers, and then you switch roles. It's really important that you continue to practice your English at home during this time. So that's it for today, and I will talk to you guys soon.